Well, hello there. Welcome to the break here from Bounty Hunter Breaks. This is Boba Fett, and here comes box 3. So if you saw my the earlier video, I did 2 of the 3 boxes that I received today. This is the 3rd and final box of that order. I don't know if I'll receive my other 2 boxes tomorrow. The ones that I was lucky enough to get through Fanatics on their whole little lottery system. But yeah, let's see if I can get a Frozen Fractor, a sketch card. I'm looking to see if anything looks super thick, and nothing looks super thick, so probably no blueprint card or plate book, because yeah, they've added plate books this year. So again, gonna run through the packs rather quickly, skip over the base, and just go to the back. So get here, we get an Eris for Bo-Katan, and then a Count Dooku on the refractor. I would like to potentially get a sketch card here, but I know they're tough in hobby. General Hux. Ooh! And Akira Gold. 31 of 50. On the Galactic Gear. That's going to need a 60 point. And of course, Emilia Clarke does actually have autos in here too, so that is a possibility. Okay, jumping to the back. Got a Mace Windu. And a Fixer Refractor. Ezra and young Han Solo. So that's kind of interesting that you should get, or that in the same box as the Kira, there's young Han Solo. We'll save that because that's probably the auto. Jar Jar, and it's probably Palpatine. Yep. Rise of Palpatine, offspring of Anakin Skywalker. Oh, and we got an orange. Ooh. Nice Baylan Skull orange. 19 of 25. So that's 2 low numbered pulls. And we have oh no, this is a Eris. Bo-Katan reassures Grogu, and then a Kylo Ren refractor. There's just something about those refractors that the lines that are going for the border really jump out at you. Poe Dameron. Oh, we got a Chewbacca with the Rebel Alliance. And we have another gold. Is this going to be a Aurebesh? It is. Aurebesh. Paz Vizsla. 46 of 50. I'm going to sleeve up Chewbacca. Because again, these are only like, I want to say 2 a box. There's Flea. Plo Koon. And a refractor of Cinta. Cinta Kaz. Last 2 packs. Goes quick. Probably another Rise of Palpatine. Vote of no confidence. Advisor to Queen Amidala. Ooh, and a Director Krennic. 63 of 199. That's one thing I just realized. I don't think I've pulled a single Berg. So that's a purple. So here it comes. Come on, Super Auto. Looks blue. So there's that. So on the back, I've got a nice Shin Hati refractor. First appearance or debut. Oh, that's Morgan Elsbeth. I'd recognize that hand anywhere on the Beskar staff. 114 of 150. Diana Liana Santo. Okay. I'm going to pause real quick and then we'll do a quick hit recap. Hang tight. Okay, so here comes a hit recap of this 3rd hobby box of 2024 Top Star Wars Chrome. So start off with the Shin Hati debut refractor. And then as far as numbered hits, got the Kira Galactic Gear Gold, 31 of 50. I don't know how well that shows up on camera. Then for the, oh, I meant to put that in the back. My bad. Sorry for the reveal. But anyway, the Krennic purple to 199, 63 of 199. The second gold in the box was a Paz Vizsla Aurebesh parallel, 46 of 50. The Baylan Skoll orange debut, 19 of 25. And then as you already saw, because I messed up and put it in the front instead of the back, was the Morgan Elsbeth blue auto, 114 of 150. So that concludes these 3 boxes. 1 in this video, 2 in the previous. So yeah, I guess I'm going to just have to try to be patient and wait for my other 2 boxes to show up. But hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Have a great rest of your day, and as always, keep collecting.